Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Scosche StrikeLine Premium braided USB-C to Lightning charge and sync cable. So what's great about this, it has a USB-C port here, and it has the made for iPhone Lightning adapter right there. Metal around each part of the port, and then you have great strong relief, and then you have the braided cable right there. And this is excellent because it has power delivery support. So if you're using a USB-A to Lightning to charge your newer phone, it's not going to charge lightning fast. With this cable, it will. And if you couple it with this, the Scosche Power Delivery PD 60 watt adapter, you'll get 60 watts of fast charging from this charger. So if you want to charge up your new devices from Apple, get this cable for sure. It's made for iPhone and iPad. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.